The Leader LV5333 dual input waveform monitor has become synonymous with DITs and on-set production. No self-respecting DIT would be seen on set without their Leader waveform monitor. 4K and high dynamic range productions have traditionally been the preserve of big budget high-end productions, but that is now starting to change. For those productions where budgets allow, the Leader Zen series LV5350 is ideally suited to complement DIT's existing 5330 and 5333s. But for those that don't have the budgets or simply don't want to replace their LV5333s, then Leader has a solution in the form of a software license option for the LV5333 that enables HDR analysis. And being a software license, customers don't need to return the LV5333 to an accredited Leader service centre. They can simply upgrade their LV5333 by typing in the license key code. The HD HDR software license LV5333 SER02 is a function that enables HDR video signal analysis by picture display and waveform display. With the picture display, HDR images can easily be checked by use of the Cinezone HDR False Color Display tool, which provides easy to distinguish areas of potential concern within the picture. With the waveform display, level management of the HDR area can be analysed by use of the HDR scale that is displayed on the right hand side of the waveform display. The LV5333 will also support both full range and legal range video. Although the LV5333 only supports 3G and HD SDI, it can also support 4K HDR display analysis by using a 4K 2-sample interleave and monitoring a single link from the camera output. The main features of the HDR upgrade include compatibility with various HDR standards, including hybrid log gamma, PQ, as well as S-Log3, C-Log and Log-C. For more information on the LV5333 SER02 HDR software license upgrade, please don't hesitate to contact your local regional sales representative or visit the Leader website at www.leader.co.jp.